So let's see. As we get in a little bit past Wednesday, um, look right here. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to make my videos. You can download it. You could just launch it from the website itself. So if you are having an issue with the lab, um, this is a free tool to help me problem shoot the issue you're having with the lab itself. So remember, Screencast-O-Matic is a free, and you don't have to install nothing. It's right. It is right on the web page, screencast-o-matic.com, screen recorder. So let's see, jumping right in, I did get a few emails about accessing the material, but before I get into that, everyone should have a DreamSpark account made. If you are a returning student, you had an email like this before. If you have an issue loading your recovering your password, just do the password recovery. If you're still having an issue, even after that, I believe there's an email. I have an email that we can email to help troubleshoot that even further. So let's see. The discussion posts are looking good. Introductions. We have 18 threads. I know we have a few more students than 18. There should be at least 10 more there. I will start reaching out to everybody again. I know I did the first batch. I'll start the second batch probably tomorrow morning. I saw one person post the same or two things in the lab discussion on the due date. Once again, everything is due at the end of the semester, but to keep up with the class, um, excuse me, I would turn everything in on a weekly basis. Excuse me again. Uh, so all assignments due May the 8th. Is this correct? Everything is due May the 7th. That is the last day of class. But in order to keep yourself on track, I would say that turning everything in as we do it is the best way to keep on track. Is there no late work? I tend to deduct some points with late work. So make sure if you are going back, and I see this late, I'll probably take a few points off. But like I said, it's not real difficult to do this on a weekly basis. There's not a lot of work to do. Let's see the discussions. I haven't even looked at the 4 posts so far. There should be more tonight. Jordan, Patrick, Benjamin, and Yanir, thank you for posting already. Remember that if you do choose the same case, it looks like 2 of you guys here, I can probably click on these and they're going to be entirely different. That is okay. Don't feel the need that you chose one that somebody else did, or you have an issue with choosing one that somebody else did. It's your point of view on whatever you pick. Once again, I'll read those in details. Jordan, Patrick, Benjamin, and Yanir, probably tomorrow morning. Tonight I'm just kind of flipping through everything. Make sure you do. There should be 28. Once again, 28 initial posts here, and then make sure to follow up on 2 peers by Sunday midnight. That'll make sure you acquire the full 10 points for the discussions. And that leads me into the MindTap material. Let's see. I guess I can click anywhere on week 1. Week 1, let's go to the reading or in the news. Oh, it's not. I don't think it's going to work with this one. Chrome. Front range. D2L. Login. Content. Once again, clicking any sort of box that has the purple external link icon should take us there. Right to our book. And let's see, I don't care about that because I was trying to get to the book. Once again, I'd click the icon book. It'll pop up this screen, take a minute to populate or a second to populate. depending on the internet connection and their server speed. And once again, I click the chapters located in the top left. I want to go to chapter 1. So for the discussion, I am looking for the case projects. That's where I'm getting the topics for discussions. Simply by clicking this, it'll give me the list of cases to choose from. And once again, choose what would interest you. Make this class about you, your interest. That way you pull more out of the learning. The hands-on projects is where we'll get the projects that are due in the class. And here we have assignments, project, and as you see, the projects line up 1-5D. Actually, I think dyslexia hit me there. Or no, that's right. 1-5E. Follow the directions very carefully, thoroughly, and you should have a successful project. When I do leave you a blank, I'm looking for an answer. So 1, 3, 1, 6, what was that? 1, 2. 1, 3 at number 14. I'm looking for a step 14. Oh, maybe I had that wrong. Step 14, take a screenshot and answer a question. 1-3. Huh. I might have messed that up. I guess you don't have to send me an answer for that one. Okay. But make sure you do submit screenshots, orientate your pictures correctly, and get those ISOs from DreamSpark. If you're having an issue, make sure to send a video, a picture, detailed message to myself or Mr. Barry. Barry is located in your class list. At the bottom, you can see how everyone's role as a student, except for myself and Barry himself. Barry has a blank. Myself, I have an instructor. That'd be the easiest way to send us an email just within D2L. Good start. Let's keep it up. Let's finish this week strong. And I will check back in before the weekend.